Okay, so ngayon meron tayong problem. So ito ay find the sum of the geometric series. Okay, the first 5 terms, sum of the first 5 terms. So hindi mo alam kung ano yung panglima, so you need to have or to compute. Kailangan mo compute mo muna yung R, second term divided by the first term, or kahit third term divided by the second. So the ratio is 3. Yung 3 na yan, mo multiply mo sa 54, giving you 162. So ibig sabihin ang panglima ay 162. So meron ka ng 5 terms. So, all we need to do is to get the sum of these 5 terms. Okay, so we can compute this using the formula of the finite geometric series. Okay, finite geometric series. So a1 or a times 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r all over 1 minus r. Okay, so we need to plug in or substitute. A is 2. Okay, next 1 minus our r is 3. Our r is 3. Then raised to 5 because this is 5 terms. Our n is 5 raised to 5 all over 1 minus 3. Okay, all over 1 minus 3 because our r is 3. Okay, the next 2 and 1 minus the 3 raised to 5. So ang ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, okay, 5 na 3. Okay, you multiply by itself. So the answer is 243 and 1 minus 3. Okay, so kopyahin ko lang ha. So okay, kopyahin ko lang itong nasa ilalim, ilagay ko lang sa taas. Okay, so okay, 2 then 1 minus 243. Kinopya ko lang po, kinopya ko lang. Wala pang manipulation na ginawa. 2 1 minus 243. Kinopya ko lang yung nasa ilalim. Then 1 minus 3. Okay, so the next 2, then what is 1 minus 243? That is negative 242 all over negative 2. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. You copy the sign of the larger number. Okay, so the next 2 times negative 242, the answer is negative 484. So negative 484 all over negative 2. Pag tayo nagdi-divide ng parehong sign, the answer is always positive. So negative 44 divided by negative 2, the answer is 242. 242. Okay, so negative divided by negative. So that was 242. Okay, so yan yung sum kapag pinag-plus mo yung first 5 terms, 242. Even if you check manually, you calculate, ang lalabas is 242. So that was the essence, yun yung halaga ng formula na a times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r. So ayun, ito ay ginagamit kapag finite geometric series, and of course kapag ang na-compute mo na r is greater than 1 or